Hello, everybody. Zotek here from weBLEEDfpv.com, and we're going to do just a very brief PowerPoint presentation for our esports whip racing Velocidrone series season number 2. This is for our potential um, businesses within the FPV community who might be interested in participating. Last year we had, I believe, 11 to 12 different sponsors participating, cash sponsors, that is for the esports series. And today, just a little presentation very quickly. I did do a live broadcast, 20 minutes, talked about it in depth, but I do want to add this also. But the We Bleed FPV Esports Whip Racing Velocidrone Series Season number 2. It's powered by Perspective Image, who's our streaming company, and of course Hydra FPV, which is the back-end aspect of the FPV race management. So two critical companies. I can tell you right now, the pilot prize purse is sitting at a whopping 2,400, and the season we haven't even signed a sponsor yet. So let's get right into it. These are our sponsorship packages. It's a live streaming event Sunday evening starting at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Excuse me. The event runs from December 1st until March 20th, 2022. That's a typo. Each event lasts around 2.5, 3 hours. It's going to be a live streaming event on Facebook, YouTube, Discord. Of course, we have FPV celebrities as our announcers. We'll have some guest announcers within our FPV community. The season details, there's a total of 14 teams with 5 pilots on each team, 70 pilots total. There's going to be a live streaming of the draft. 16 weeks total, including the championship event, which will be broadcasting and streaming and discussing about the prior week event, sponsors, and something nice about the sponsors, it's broadcast live weekly events, Sunday evening, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Going to get right into the standard package. Standard package includes ad banners, 15 to 30-second digital spots during breaks, on-air live discussions, product awareness and promotions. And that package is $250, which is very reasonable and respectable. That's under, let's do some basic math here. 250 divided by 16 weeks. It's $15 and say 62 cents a week to sponsor with us in this event. So very reasonable and very respectable. And of course, ad banners during the live broadcast. It's 2.5 to 3 hours per event, 16 weeks. You're looking at on average, we get around 380 to 420 viewers per week per weekly event. So that's a fair share, but of course, it's all about the community, and this is what we do here at We Bleed. We give back. So that seems like a reasonable package for that price. And of course, then we have our gold package. And the one thing about the gold package that stands out is, of course, the exclusive team naming rights. So of course we'll have Team weBLEED or Team Newbie Drone or Team Fractal Engineering or Team Drone Zone. So we always look out for the FPV businesses, and we do discuss during the live broadcasts. Of course, we have ad banners, 15 to 30-second digital spots, on-air live discussion, of course, and of course product awareness and promotion. So if there's a company out there, say Fractal Engineering, who's developing a brand new tiny whoop racing freestyle drone, he could come on and discuss about his new product. So very simple, basic, standard products. Last year, I believe we had 11 to 12 sponsors, paying cash sponsors to our event. It was huge. We had our pilot prize purse was around $3,500 and change. A very small portion of that goes directly to the streaming service because there's a back end cost, but very, simplistic. And of course, companies always want to know, am I getting a bang for my buck? So there's ways to score our performance and understand the metrics of this program using, overall viewership. And of course, what I like to offer to the companies as a very powerful idea is that you create a weBLEED 5, weBLEED 10 coupon code. You put it on your website, and as we talk about during our weekly events, and we will point the um, say FPV community and our pilots to your particular website and mention these special discount coupon codes so you could directly see and count what kind of business is flowing towards your direction. And of course, once again, it's very minimum request, $250 or $350 sponsorship. Extremely reasonable for what we're doing out here. 100% goes back into the community. And of course, we always, take care of our FPV pilots here at weBLEED FPV. So, I'm Zotek. I just wanted to briefly, show you this PowerPoint presentation and, just go through it, very quickly. But yeah, this is what it's all about. 16 weeks live streaming, broadcasting, YouTube, Discord, Facebook. Myself and Anthony Knight, AK, are going to be hosting. We're going to have some guest FPV celebrities probably stop in. But just a quick recap of the series detailed: 14 teams total with 5 pilots. That's 70 pilots per event, and 16 weeks, including the championship event. The first 4 to 5 weeks are going to be a leaderboard smash. So that's going to be really fun. We're going to have 3 different track builders. We have Schmielin, we have Swifty, and of course we have AK. And they're going to rotate building tracks throughout the whole season. We're looking forward to this, but broadcasting live for the 16 weeks may be a recap of the weekly event or the actual event itself. Sunday evening, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And once again, we have 2 packages: a standard package for $250 and a gold package for $350, which comes out to $21.87 per week for 16 weeks. And of course, you're supporting our FPV community. So once again, I'm Zotek with weBLEEDfpv.com. Check out our website. We just had an update and we added a bunch of new products there. And yeah, we look forward to our season. weBLEED Esports Whip Racing Velocidrone Series Season number 2, powered by Perspective Image and Hydra. Thank you for watching this brief presentation regarding our business sponsorship package for 2021 and 2022 season. Thank you, and we look forward. If you have any questions regarding our sponsorship package, please reach out via Facebook, email, go to my website. You could definitely message me directly there. Yeah, and I will definitely be calling on all the sponsors out there and all the businesses that we worked with last year and potentially sign a bunch of new FPV companies this year. So greatly appreciated. I'm Zotek. You have a good night.